Welcome back to Sundays with Selma. Today we are going to make easy and simple fish sticks. We need the following ingredients to begin. Fish, boneless and skinless, 2 pounds. Lemon, half a lemon. Red chili powder, 1 teaspoon. Black pepper, 1 teaspoon. Dried oregano, 1 teaspoon. Garlic powder, 1 teaspoon. Salt to taste. All-purpose flour, half cup. Egg, 2. Breadcrumbs, 1 cup. Oil for deep fry. I'm going to start with adding some lemon juice to these fish strips. I'm using the fish called mahi mahi. You can use any kind of fish that you like. Then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, salt to taste. Set this aside and let it marinate for at least 10 to 20 minutes. While the fish is marinating, I'm going to go ahead with the coating. In a bowl, add half cup of all-purpose flour. In another bowl, add 2 eggs and whisk well. And in another bowl, add 1 cup of breadcrumbs. Now, the fish has been marinating for around 20 minutes. Next, dip it and coat the fish stick in the all-purpose flour and shake off the excess. Next, it goes to the egg. Dip the fish stick and shake off the excess. Now, dip the fish stick into the breadcrumbs and shake off the excess. The fish finger is beautifully coated with the flour, egg and the breadcrumbs at this point. I'm going to keep it in the fridge for about half an hour so that the coating sticks really well to the fish. Now, half an hour has passed. I'm ready to fry the fish fingers. In a frying pan, add enough oil for deep frying the fish fingers. Once the oil is hot, add the coated fish fingers into the oil. Fish fingers cook a lot faster than chicken fingers. So, just keep this moving in the hot oil and keep an eye on it for it to turn evenly golden brown on all sides. The first batch of fish fingers is nearly done. Now, we are going to pull them out of the pan and drop them onto a paper towel. Fish sticks are an amazing party starter recipe. You can serve fish stick with your choice of sauce or ranch. If you like this recipe, please share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.